How to set up AT&T Internet Air. Now, before we get started, all you need is your physical Internet Air directly from AT&T that will be sent out to you and a working smartphone. So I'm going to be showing you out the specific manual that you can try to use it as your reference. Now, first things first is connect your AT&T Smart Home Manager. Smart Home Manager is actually a certain application that you can download via Google Play Store or where you would like to download any applications on your phone. Now, once you have downloaded it, just simply log in and sign in using your AT&T credentials and then just simply scan the barcode. Now, after scanning the barcode, there is going to be on-screen prompts for you to follow instructions on how you can set it up completely. And that's basically it. It's how you set up your AT&T Internet Air in 2025.